Hey, this is Doug from DOUGandNIKI here in the outdoor testing studio, and I know this looks like a 3D printer to you, but I am here to talk to you about air conditioning, but I am here in the outdoor testing studio. So let me bring you to the air conditioning and let me show you what makes the outdoor testing studio livable. So here it is. This is the Air Choice 12,000 BTU air conditioner. Let me sit down next to it so you can actually hear just how loud it is while we have a conversation. And I'll let you know some of the features. Alright, so here it is. I am actually sitting with it. It is on. It is set trying to get the temperature down to 64 degrees because this is on sleep mode now. And oh boy, is it quiet. But even while it's quiet, there is some seriously cold air coming out of here. Let me give you another perspective on this. I am in South Florida. You can see this is the garage door. This is not insulated. This is South Florida, how things are built. Everything's concrete, and it's 90 degrees and humid out there, and absolutely comfortable in here with this running. Captain Obvious, you can't go into a big 3-car garage, turn this on when it's 90 degrees and it's, smoking hot in here already and expect this to cool it down. But I come out in the morning, I know I'm going to shoot today, I turn it on, and it's been on for about 3 hours, and it just keeps the temperature from spiking. Super comfortable. If I left it on one evening and forgot, came back at like 9 o'clock at night after it cooled down, it was legit cool, almost cold here in the garage. So I only have good things to say about it. Let me tell you about some of the features that you want to know. You could use it as just a straight up fan. It will oscillate as well. That is also an option. You can use it as a dehumidifier, and you can also obviously use it as an air conditioner. Let me just show you full blast so you can tell what full blast sounds like. Okay, it's blowing straight at the microphone, so it might even sound louder than it does normally. But that is as loud as it gets, and that is absolutely a tolerable, reasonable, great volume for the amount of cold air this thing puts out. It is so impressive. In any case, I'm going to absolutely give this a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. This has made such a difference here in the DOUGandNIKI outdoor testing studio in the summer in Florida. Hard to beat that. In any case, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.